Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. We're reviewing today the DEWALT Wearable Bluetooth Speaker, new design, a rugged, clip-on Jobsite speaker for hand-free calls and day-long sound. This compact dynamo weighs less than 2 ounces, but produces impressively clean sound, especially for voice and podcasts, and powers a whopping 10 hours of playback on a charge. Water/dust-resistant IP56 rating and a rugged clip make it survive rain, filth, and even welding sparks. The newer model features an even more secure one-handed opening clip and a rubberized footer so it can stand on a workbench when unclipped. It features oversized buttons that are easy to operate when wearing gloves, perfect for industrial or outdoor use. This is attested by user comments. It's small and the sound quality is great. Exposed to rain, still performing flawlessly, and the clip is rugged, even welding no issue. Another said, excellent portability, ruggedness, very good battery life, fast charging. There are a couple of things to note. The bass is light, it's treble dominant, and the microphone performance dropped off when clipped onto a hard object like a belt. But considering its compact size, waterproof build, and work-friendliness, it's a great value, sub $40 depending on color and retailer. If you're in the market for solid, compact sound that's designed for the work site and won't keep you trapped while maintaining alertness, this DEWALT clip-on speaker is worth checking out. Click on the link below for the lowest price, and thanks for watching.